It is April 2nd, 2020, WIKISPEED Stand-Up. I'm by myself today, and I figured I'd make a video anyway. So it is Michael Olchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. And last week, I did record the stand-up, but I managed to forget to post it. I should be getting that done here shortly. So I got no points for that. Oh darn, I touched my face when I'm not supposed to. I trimmed my backlog that had been added to my weekly stand-up. It was embarrassing. It was like 2 pages, exact opposite of how you're supposed to do a backlog. And anyway, I got it trimmed. Give myself half a point for that. And I'm doing a recording for this week, just because I've never done a recording of stand-up with only one person. So something new. Always trying to do something new. No new demos for the week. And for next week, my backlog is trimmed down to wiring up a breadboard with one of the, I think they're hex buffers, inverting hex buffers. So that's my task for the week. I've got resistor values and stuff already selected, and I expect that that's going to be 1 point. So that's what I'm going to try to get done. Blocks, I've still got home renovation, and of course the COVID-19 is an issue. Working from home is a little strange, but I'm thankful that I can work from home. Retrospective, I'm going to give myself 1 point out of 3 for my targets this week, which is 3 out of 10, and 1 for attending stand-up is 4 out of 10. The team, I'm going to leave it 6. Actually, maybe I'll give it 7. The reason I gave it 7 is because we have a few posts from Dave Lighthouser. He's doing a open source design for the or for a mask that you can use with saran wrap on it. It's a little bit different than the masks that are being done where they take the pop bottle and cut open the plastic and kind of roll it open. His looks more like a football face mask, I'm going to call it, mounted to a pair of glasses that you just put saran wrap over top. And there's some design discussions going back and forth. And Joe has been doing a couple of posts. Actually, I'm going to make it 8 out of 10. Joe has been making some posts this week about changes he'd like to see and how things are getting, how things are in his world. And my process improvement for this week is not really a process improvement, but I'm going to list it that way anyway. It's show up and get something done. I have not gotten any progress on any of my backlog for several weeks now, and it's about time I actually get something done. So that wraps it up for stand up for the week. Can't really think of anything that anyone is going to want to contribute to. So I guess we'll call that stand up for the week.